This is the one product I never let myself run out of. My Olaplex #7 Bonding Oil. I'm already down to my last few drops. But I've had this in my routine for months now. It's honestly become non-negotiable for me. Every single time I finish a bottle, it goes straight back on my restock list. So when the new one finally arrived, I couldn't wait to open it. This is the Bonding Oil, the finishing step in the Olaplex system. Sleek, simple, and that gorgeous yellow bottle is instantly recognizable. Let's talk about what's actually inside this bottle. The star ingredient is Olaplex's patented bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate. It's blended with sunflower seed oil, moringa oil, and pomegranate seed oil. There's also vitamin E in the formula, which helps protect against everyday damage. I warm it between my hands first before applying. Then I work it through the mid-lengths and ends of my hair. I always avoid the roots so it doesn't weigh my hair down. I love applying it before bed as an overnight treatment. I wake up with noticeably softer, smoother strands the next morning. It's also brilliant to use before any heat styling. It protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And while it protects, it's also repairing and strengthening the bonds in your hair. So whether it's part of my morning routine or my wind-down ritual, it fits right in. You can see here just how much smoother my hair looks. If you want that effortless, healthy shine, this one's worth adding to your cart.